Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet Cars, DIY and Adventures. This is my 2023 Ford Maverick XL Hybrid, and I'm about to install something in less than a minute. Less than $40. That might be one of the most practical things I've installed on this Ford Maverick. It fills a void that I've been having. Let's look. Now, I bought this for $39 on Amazon because the Ford Maverick is my kind of like my work truck, my project truck, and I always have all kinds of stuff that I'm throwing in it. And sometimes it's just about storage. Now, this could be used two different ways: as a storage box or as a trash can. Now, I already have a trash can in the back, but the storage space in the front of this Maverick is plentiful, but you could always have more. This little guy, you can see, you can press this down. The lid just opens right up, so it has a little kind of spring actuator in it. It's pretty deep, and it can slide just right in the center console area. So we have all this area right here, which I end up just throwing stuff in that section. But instead of that, what I can actually do now is I can take my little guy here and it would just sit right in here, a nice deep pocket. You can see kind of the height it's given you, but it doesn't get in the way of anything else. And I can put my little lid here on it. I can shut this. It opens up just fine. I can throw stuff in it. I can keep it shut. So it gives me just a super nice compartment area. That's all you do. It has a little backing, a little like rubber thing on the back here. I'll show you, to kind of protect from rubbing. So you have at the bottom here this soft guy to kind of protect it from rubbing this plastic too much. But I mean, I'm always digging it. I can throw stuff in here. It's not in plain sight. I'm not going to use it as a trash can for my use case, but I'm going to use it for storage. Absolutely. Not too bad. So you can kind of see how it looks in the cab of the truck here. It fits in there. Nice and perfect, and it doesn't encroach into the seat area, so you're not losing anything with it being here. Now, this Ford Maverick, man, this thing gets scratched up if you look at it. Admittedly, I got 50-some thousand miles on this, and I do beat it up a little bit, but we'll see how this little gizmo holds up. So if you're looking for more storage, this could be an option for you. Cheap, 10 seconds to install it. Why not? Link in the description if you're interested in buying it, and if you have it, let me know how it's holding up, and I'll report back and let you know how it's holding up for me. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Lots of Ford Maverick videos here. I got all kinds of gizmos.